Hello everybody, my name is Jarek and welcome to my YouTube channel Jarek80. Today I am visiting a beautiful Volo museum full of unique and original cars. This museum is very big, got many beautiful cars. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Thank you very much for all your support, your likes and comments, and I wish you all the best.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning, my head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? My heart stopped when I first saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?